Here's how I caught this 25 RR trade today. So the first thing I did when I hopped on the charts today is to look at the general direction of the market, and I saw that price was bearish today. And then I went down to the 1 hour and noticed that price was sitting inside of this 1 hour fair value gap. From this, I was expecting price to continue lower and for this 1 hour low to be the drawn liquidity for today. Now for the actual entry, I went to the 15-minute and I saw this rejection block rejecting this 15-minute fair value gap, and then I went down to the 5-minute time frame and I noticed that there was a 5-minute fair value gap right beneath the rejection block. Another thing, when I marked out this downwards move right before market opened, I noticed that this fair value gap was inside of the OTE, which I've made a video on. You can find it in my profile if you don't know what this is. Now pairing these three confluences, the rejection block, the fair value gap, and the fib, this felt like a really good setup to me. So I was in school at this time, so I just set a sell limit with a fixed 10-point stop on the 0.79 level on the fib, which, if you don't know what it is, I've explained it in a video on you can find it on my page if you want an in-depth explanation. So yeah, I just set a sell limit here targeting the 1 hour low. Another thing that I made that made this trade even more powerful was if you go to ES and you mark out the same fair value gap from NQ, the 1410 candle fair value gap, you'll see that ES actually did not retrace to the fair value gap or the rejection block, which counts as like an SMT, and in this case it was a bearish SMT, so that made this trade even more powerful. And here's the P&L. I'm currently making a Discord server, so follow so you don't miss out.